वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें मेरी लेटेस्ट वीडियो को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make Kareena Kapoor hairstyle, and it's really very easy to do. So if you're interested in knowing how to do it, then keep on watching the video. So सबसे पहले अपने hair part करें from front till neck just like this. फिर आप आगे से थोड़े हेयर लें and then divide it into 3 parts. फिर आप नॉर्मली जैसे ब्रेड्स बनाते हैं only till 2-3 steps आपको ये नॉर्मल ब्रेड बनाना है. Then add some hair from front section to your normal braid just like this.
With your smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame.
Then secure this braid at the back of your hair with the help of a clip just like this.
Sound, safe and 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 sound, safe and
Tie the remaining hair in a ponytail just like this. Then take a donut and make a bun with the help of it. You can easily find donut in any local market.
Smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game.
Then pull out some hair around your face just like how Kareena has.
When I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound, safe and sound, safe and sound, safe and sound, safe and sound.
Then loosen up your braid just like this so that it can give a volumizing effect to your hair.